welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're just stumbling upon my YouTube channel, please do not forget to subscribe and give me a very big thumbs up. So before I dive right into the video, let me just quickly advertise to you what we have here. This Glow Envy by Arewa. We sell a lot of skincare products that will marvel you. You can actually walk into our store in Ibadan, shop 11B beside gas tap, filling station, Songo, Ibadan. So this particular cream, we have it for caramel people, caramel skinned people. That's what this cream is for. It is for caramel. And then this also for those that do not like it thick, we give it to them thick. For those that like it in lotion, this is the lotion part. And then we have the shower gel. Shower gel, can you see? And then we have black soap for dark skinned people. We also have our black soap for all skin type. This particular one, this exclusive black soap, it clears acne, clears skin discoloration, clears sunburn, dark circles, and all of that. It works very, very well for skin reaction. It's for all skin type. This is for dark skinned only. But this one is for all skin type, whether you are dark or you are fair. It is only going to make you bright. It will make you shine. And then we have our shower gel, and then we have our body lotion. You can see our body lotion. We have our pink lips activator. We have the scrub and the activator. This one was made for a client who wants it in large quantity. And then we have our body scrub. Our body scrub, we have it in two different shades. We have the whitening body scrub and the normal body scrub. This particular one is the whitening body scrub. And scrubbing is very, very important in any scrubbing is always very, very important in any skincare routine you're taking. It is very important to shed your dead cells. And then we have our whitening soap. This is our half cast whitening soap. If you don't want to be fair, or if you are not fair, don't even come close to this particular soap. And then we have our facial cleanser. We have it in small meal and in big meal. God, like try this face cleanser. It works for acne, skin discoloration, for dark spots, for dark circle, dark eye, and everything. Combined with this, our small but mighty face cream. No, within 7 to 14 days, you yourself will be the one to give the testimony. Now, if you want it, like if you have face problem or acne problem, just combine this particular soap, cleanser, and face cream, and you're good to go. And trust me, it works so damn well. And then you will have me to thank. Okay, so back to the business. Please do not forget to patronize us, and you can walk into our store. Number and address will be tagged below. So today we are going to be talking about the different penis sizes we have, and the different vagina sizes. Different penis sizes and different vagina sizes. Trust me, you're going to love this. Or I'm not going to go deeply into this topic. I only want you guys to request for me to go deeply before I can go deeply. If you do not request that I go deeply into whatever topic I'm taking, I am not going to be going deeply. I'm only going to be taking the surface for you. And trust me, even with the surface, you have more than a lot to learn. So number one, we have the curved upward penis. Curved upward penis is like this. Curved upward penis. We have it, and we now have the curved downward penis. We have the curved upward, we have the curved downward, we have the C-shaped penis. For that C-shaped penis, you can actually not know the shape of the penis you want if your penis is not hard. So imagine what they kill before you can know that okay you go okoti money you wait for your penis to be hard. It's when it's hard you will know the kind of penis you have, or your girlfriend or your partner can help you figure it out, but it can only be figured out when it's hard. So we have the C-shaped penis, we have the straight penis. The straight penis is actually one of the most enjoyable and common ones that girls like and enjoy most. So we also have the bigger base and narrow head. We have the narrow base and bigger head. We have the small than average length, and then we have the large than average length. So these are actually the major basic penis length, size, and shapes that we have. But then there we have the subcategories. The subcategories of all these penis we have traffic cone pennies. All of these subcategories I mentioned, they're actually under the first ones I mentioned. That is the curved upward, curved downward, C-shaped, straight, bigger base, narrow base, larger head, small than average length, larger than average length. So the subcategories are traffic cone pennies, mushroom head pennies, fake pennies, skinny pennies, circumcised pennies, uncircumcised pennies, grower, that is tiny but larger when it is hard pennies. We have showers, we have curved pennies, we have small pennies, we have big pennies, we have unpredictable pennies. All these ones, they are always very tiny and small. You cannot predict them until they are hard. We have emotionally sensitive pennies, we have the smooth pennies, we have the veiny pennies, darker pennies, freckled pennies, we have airy pennies, shaved pennies, and lumpy pennies. So let's dive into the different shapes and size of vagina that we have. As we have different shapes and sizes for penis, we have for vaginas too. But before I go into that, I would like to tell you that for guys, women actually enjoy the big penis, the curved penis, the always hooked penis, little but crazy. Your penis can be very, very small. It depends on how to use it. If you know how to use your penis so well, of course a woman would enjoy it and they would never want to let go of it. So just stay tuned to my channel if you want to have most of all of this content and engage yourself. If you're not engaging yourself on my YouTube channel, there is no way you can get what you actually want. I don't need any ghost follower here. If you're too ashamed to follow me or make yourself known, then you do not need to. And then please, your questions, you can put your questions down in my next video. Like, you won't see it at all, it won't come out, it's always in the hidden. So you see the labia majora, that is the outer lips covering it up, so you can't really see it, it is hidden. That's the Barbie vagina. Then we have the puff vagina, we have the tulip vagina, and then we have the horseshoe vagina. I'm going to be explaining all of this if you engage my discussion. I'm not explaining it all, I'll only explain little, I'm not explaining everything. So I hope we were able to learn one or two things about the penis and about the vagina in this video. And please do not forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, tell me whatever you feel about the video, and we're going to talk better. And trust me, if you click on the unlike button for this video, it means you're a sadist, because I'm trying to educate you, I'm trying to teach you what I learned or what I found out. I don't think there's anything bad in what you are ashamed and shy to talk of. I'm bringing it out here, what you cannot talk about. I'm bringing in my bedroom secrets to you, and then you don't want to talk about it, you don't want to open up to me, you want to be selfish and become a ghost follower. No, 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 I'm not going to give you that opportunity. Anyways, thank you all, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. God bless you. Shout out to you all. God bless you. I love you. And please do not forget to come over to patronize me in my studio. I already told you, we do makeup, we do nails, we sell beauty products, we sell bags, shoes, we sell a lot of things. We even sell sex enlargement, sex equipment. So just let us know what we're going to be right here to help you with it. Thank you very much. God bless you. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, share my video if you can, and give me a very big thumbs up. God bless you.